Hi guys, today I will teach you how to use oh wait a minute. If you don't know how to use this toolbox, I can teach you. Wait a minute. I will make another world. Okay. Oops. This is okay. Okay, just please hit the like button and click like and subscribe, and thanks. And we are in now. If you don't know how to use Toolbox, I can teach you. If you don't know how to fly here, just click that button and you can fly in survival. And you see their health bars. And this is for speed running. For speed runners. But if they have Toolbox, well, I found the village. But oh, it's a dirty. Okay, we're fighting this crazy. Let's This is how to use Toolbox. If you want free items, go to world and just give item, and you can do whatever you want. And I'll teach you how to enchant. Just wait. And here we go, right? And enchant, and you can do whatever you want, like 9999999. Now you're gonna unbeatable with Toolbox. Just install Toolbox. If it doesn't work, go to list at Toolbox, and it's gonna work successfully. And this is now up item. See, it's very strong. And if you kill some mob, it gives a lot of items too, a lot of prizes. Where's the village? Okay. Where's the... Oh, I hear a burning villager. Burning zombie villager. There we go. Hey. You really serious? Okay, it doesn't work, huh? But I think we need more enchant. Oh, not this. Enchant. I can do more about this and this about this. We need many here for we have a lot of protection at this. Just I'll stop the video. So we are back. That's a little long. And now we have okay, this guy now. See? It gives a lot. Ouch! You stop! Not that cute, it's cute. I'm gonna find more monsters. Oh, for food. Watch this. Oh my god, there's a lot of food. That's a lot of food to eat. Okay, this guy now. Oh, you see, it works so successfully. Hey, you. Wow, you can't kill me. Two. Any more monsters? Oh, I see you. Oh my god, you bad. You bad. Oh, this cow. It's a lot of steaks. Cooked beef. So we're so far. Let's fly again. Okay. Be careful. Bye, too. Okay, this underwater snake. Oh, I see you. They're for grounds. Hey, you want to fight me, huh? Oops, I'm drowning. I think we need the turtle shell. For breathing just, and let's go. If it's old, it finally works. Thank God, thank God. And I see you. Oh! Free gold over there. See you. I hit your face. Okay, free gold. But I hit. Oh, more are fighting me. More fighting me. More. Let's just go. Just go. If we attack by monsters, let's wait for night. Oh, we dies. I didn't know. I gonna summon new items. Sorry, we got lagged, so the server closed, and they're gonna rejoin. Just wait. Commercial first. The second part for teaching, I will teach you the nuke one. Well, you see that nuke letter? We will try it. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is the coolest act. Oh, it doesn't work. Just wait. I know this is will work. Ooh, this is best. This is best for mining diamonds. Okay. Oh, I think it's a portal. Oh, it's just fake. I don't like caves there. Oh, what's that? Health bars? Mobs? Oh. Oh my God. That music again. I gotta run about that cave. I need a shelter. I'm scared of that music. Six musics. I gotta find the village, but they are too far. But I think let's just go for just this. Oh, idea! We're gonna enchant this dirt. Okay. Guys, look at this. I brought a god dirt. If we damage a mob, it may die one hit. Just wait, I will find the mob. Well, I didn't find the mob, so we have a spawn egg zoglin and just... What? But they don't need rotten flesh. And for our part 3, the last part for teaching, just wait. I found the village, but I accidentally dies. I found the village, clear village, but I accidentally died. Where's that village go? Ouch. Where's the village go? I'll find it. This for our last part teaching. It's the where's it? This, not this movement. The water walk. You can literally walk in water. Oh, wait a minute. I think something is buggy. Oh yeah, it's not bug. It's real also. Okay. I forgot I have more to teach you guys. Just wait. And no fall damage. Oh, it's falling damage still. But I do no fall damage. Tap teleport, I know where it is. See, we're teleporting. That's slime, that's a noob. Whoops. Ooh. That is so cool. What is that I hear? What is that for a cat? Whoa. Slime. I gotta run. Oh, he's coming. Okay, guys. See you. Bye-bye.